Welcome to this tutorial on Sitali Pranayama, otherwise known as the cooling breath practice. This breath practice is known for creating a sense of calm and peace and cooling through our body and our mind, and can be practiced pretty much anywhere. To learn this breathing practice, there's two ways that you can form the shape of the mouth. One is to create this tube with your tongue, like that, or create this O shape with your lips, like this. Somewhere where we can draw the breath in and out through the mouth. So if you can easily make this tube in your tongue, you'll draw it out and then you'll breathe in through it and then close the mouth and then breathe out through the nose. If you're going to be practicing this pranayama with the O shaped lips, similarly, you'll breathe in through that O shape, close the mouth, and breathe out through the nose. Let's go ahead and practice this a few times together. I'll be demonstrating with that tube shape with my tongue. Drawing it out, relaxing your eyes. Breathe in through the tube. And when you're full, draw the tongue back in the mouth or close the lips and breathe out comfortably through the nose, creating that O shape or tube shape. Breathe in, closing the mouth and breathing out through the nose. Breathing in through the tube shape, noting the coolness. And breathing out through your nose. When you finish the exhale, sit for a moment and just kind of notice the different sensations that you feel now. And thank you so much for joining us for Shitali Pranayama.